Open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android, and I'll show you how to hide and lock them. That'll help find them down the road. So let's press and hold on a chat on your iPhone and just hit lock chat. You can see I can hit continue here and it will use my Face ID to unlock it. On your Android phone, similarly, you can press and hold, tap on those three dots at the top right, and choose lock chat. And similarly, I will use my face here, and then you can see, oh, it's not working there. I'll just use the pin to lock that. Now, after it's been locked, I can just swipe down on both iPhone or Android and tap on locked chats here. Again, it will use my face here to be able to authenticate it. You can see for whatever reason, Android isn't working, so I'll just enter in that pin. And there is that locked chat. If I tap on the settings at the top right, or those three dots at the top right on my Android and hit chat lock settings, I can turn on to hide these locked chats. However, you can see it says create a secret code for both. So I'm going to hit create a secret code and I'll show you how this works. I'm going to just enter in 1111 and then again 1111 and hit done. And same thing on Android. I'll just enter in 1111 and then 1111 to confirm. Now I've turned this on. Let's hop out here and I'll show you what it looks like. If I'm in the chat section on both iPhone and Android and I swipe down, you'll be able to see it doesn't show me those locked or hidden chats. The only way to be able to reveal what they are is to tap on the search bar at the top of your iPhone and Android, and you're going to enter in that secret code. You can see as soon as I enter in that last one, you can see lock chats pops up on both the iPhone or Android, and then I can just tap on it and then tap on the chat to reveal it. If I wanted to unlock or unhide this, I can just press and hold on the chat and then just choose unlock chat. And just like that, use your Face ID or the PIN code, and it will be back in your normal chat section just like that.